Hello, Chef here once again in one of the kitchens doing some butchering, and I'm working with these chunks of meat. These are called Boston roast. Boston roast is a pretty good cut for making stew, and that's what I'm making is a stew today. I just wanted to show you the things that I'm using here. I got a boning knife, got a diamond sharpening steel, and yeah, I'm just moving through the motions here. So normally when you get a chunk of meat like this, there's a little bit of fat on the bottom, and it's a good idea to have a sharp boning knife. You can easily remove that fat without wasting meat. There's a little meat on there, you can scrape it off, but there's not much. Okay, moving right along here. Tougher pieces from the center. Okay. Okay, the finished stew meat. So this butcher glove provides a lot of protection. It does stop knives. This glove has braided stainless steel fibers in there, and the knife's not cutting through. So a lot of protection. Just goes in the laundry or the dishwasher. Yes, it's ready to be cleaned. I just wanted to show you these tools that I was using to finish stew meat. It's gonna be good. Chef here, and here's some of that stew meat that's been marinated for a couple of days. Yeah, if you want to learn more about marinades, it's real simple. Just visit your sponsor and click on recipes, and then search out the marinades, and you'll find a few different marinades that you can use on beef and chicken and lamb and wild game and different things like that. This is going to be really, really good. The marinade does a lot of things. It imparts flavor, helps break down the tissue, making the meat more tender, easier to eat, better flavor. Goes on and on and on. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and there's more to come. Have a great day. Yeah, beef stew. Just search the very large recipe database on our website as well as our channel, and you will find the recipes you're looking for. Look at that. Yeah. Really, really good. Of course, this is going to simmer for a few hours, and when it's all done, it'll be like, wow. That's what I'm talking about. How to slice it. I'm using a 12-inch meat slicer and a carving fork.